Hey guys, and welcome to the YouTube channel for the Michael Papinchak Show. Today we're going to be going over the Iron Neck Pro. 20 years ago, I was in a car accident, and because of that car accident, I am in chronic pain in my neck every single day. And I've spent countless dollars trying to fix that pain and alleviate the pain in my neck. And I discovered recently the Iron Neck, so I just had to try this out. Now, I got the Iron Neck Pro bundle. There are 3 different versions of the Iron Neck: the starter pack, the varsity, and the pro. So let's see what comes in the pro bundle. So first thing you're gonna see here is what they call the door belt. This is what I opted to use. You have 3 different hooks here for 3 different positions. I use the one in the middle. And then you have the door anchor right here. You can use that as well. That's what I used at first before I moved on to the door belt. And then they have the clinch anchor here. That is meant to be used at the gym. You can go to the gym, clinch that around something at the gym and use it there. It also comes with this 25-pound resistance band, and here is the Iron Neck Pro itself. Let's just take a look at it quick. Let me set that down. What you're gonna wanna do is, before you put it on, this little button here, this is a air bladder inside of the Iron Neck that helps you tighten the device around your head so it doesn't move while you're doing exercises. Before you want to put it on, you got to press this to release the air. And you also, I almost forgot, want to put on the Iron Neck skull cap. That also comes in the Pro bundle. Then you need to choose which forehead cushion fits your head. This is the smallest one. There are 2 other sizes. Undo this, simply tilt your head, put the device on, make sure this is nice and tight here. Then you want to use this to pump it up, to fill that air bladder so it doesn't move. Then you want to click this. It does not have to be tight around your chin, like that. And then the Pro has this little wheel here, which tightens and loosens the resistance of this. So let's go. See, I can barely move it. Let's go this way, and it's nice and free. Now, it also comes with this. This is your quick start guide. You have 3 different phases, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 exercises to start with. You start with phase 1, build up to 2, and then to 3. You go on their website, and they have a lot more exercises. They have, if like for me, I can look up neck pain, and they might have a whole exercise routine for neck pain. The middle one, the varsity one, is actually meant for athletes. That one is not meant for rehab. So if you're an athlete who needs to strengthen their neck for athletics, then you can look up exercises for that. But these are the 6 basic ones. So once you're ready to roll, it's on. This resistance is set. It's nice. Let's pump up a couple more times. It's not moving around. You just hook it right up to whichever anchor you choose, and then you're ready to roll. So the first exercise in phase 1 is the 360 spin, where you 3 times counterclockwise and then clockwise, 10 seconds. So you spin around like this, then going 3 times for 10 seconds like that. And then you want to go the other way. And then the second one in phase 1 is look left and look right. So there are 4 different positions: facing the anchor, facing away from the anchor, left, and then right. So let's say I'm facing away. Very simple. Just look left. Nice and steady. As far as you can go. And you want to do that 5 times in each position. Then you have protraction, retraction, which is your neck going in and out. Now this isn't doing anything here. That exercise you face in and face out. So you do this 8 times. That's a great one. Then there's the twist here in all 4 positions. And then there's diagonals, looking away and looking towards, and then there are figure 8s looking away and looking towards. So those are the 6 basic exercises that you start out with. Now, since I've been using this, what I have noticed, I've been using it for a few weeks, so I still have pain. This isn't like an overnight miracle, okay? What I've noticed, though, is my neck feels stronger, and I feel like my neck is over my shoulders more instead of sitting out like this. I just feel like there are muscles in my neck that I haven't used, or maybe they were damaged or whatever in the accident. I don't really know. I'm not a doctor. I'm not claiming anything medically. I'm just telling you that if you suffer from neck pain like me, it used to be debilitating. It used to be horrible. This might be something to help you out. I mean, have you gone to the gym? I don't see a neck machine. Biceps, triceps, leg day, squats. You know, I might look a little goofy in this, but if it's going to help your pain and give you better quality of life, why wouldn't you go out and get one? Check out the Iron Neck, 3 different versions, starter, varsity, and the pro. 3 different price points. I went right for the pro. I saw a lot of reviews. They were like, I wish I would have spent a couple more $100 and got the pro version. Listen, update the quality of your life. It's helping me. Maybe it can help you. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Michael. This is the YouTube channel for the Michael Papinchak Show. Check us out at tmpspodcast.com. The link will be in the description. I'll put the link for this in the description. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Those will be in the description as well. And please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we'll see you next time on the Michael Papinchak Show.